And the focus of our tour is the Woodland Cemetery, the historic Woodland Cemetery. There he is. Look across the street. And they're supposed to vaguely resemble the villas in northern Italy in the Lake Como region. And even in 1861, if you climb to that fourth floor, you could probably get a view of the spires of the city of Philadelphia. This one block stretch is really something quite lovely and really gorgeous. There was an architect, and his name was Paul Philippe Cray. He was born in France, and he went to the École des Beaux-Arts. And then as a young man, he came to Philadelphia, where he got a job at the University of Pennsylvania as an architecture professor. We've been talking a lot about Paul Philippe Cray, you know, what a marvelous architect. Well, guess what? We're going to see one of his architectural creations right now, this second. These gates were designed by Paul Philippe Cray. This became a cemetery in 1840. Talking about Andrew Hamilton, the grandson of the original owner of this property. He visited a lot of beautiful mansions in that country, and he was really interested in what were the latest architectural styles of, in his time. When it was completed, people were astonished at how beautiful it was. At the Hamilton Manor House, it was called the Woodlands. Welcome to the Woodlands, the Manor House. These columns, for example, are sort of a variation of a type of the. This style of architecture was really quite unique in this country, on these shores with those arches and circular niches. Isn't that a wonderful idea? That these students, they all get together, it's a project. And no, they don't do it of like a real famous person like Thomas Edison. They would pick like a headstone like this, and they would find out who Henrietta was. Obviously, this stone gives the dates, and they use that information to go into the census figures and what their careers were, how they made their money, and so on and so forth.